Hey guys, so as a fashion designer, my business is currently closed and I know everyone is just going through such hard times right now, but we can do things to give back. So what I'm going to do is show you how to make a super easy mask, a DIY mask that you can send out to hospitals, you can share with friends and family, and it's the easiest to make on the internet. I tell you what, I was looking on YouTube for a really easy and quick way, and all the videos were like 15, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, so this is literally about 3 minutes to make this great mask. And you can be also helping out your fellow human. So go ahead and watch the really quick video that I have prepared for you, and also just share this video, like this video, and be safe and healthy, guys. Take care. Okay, so the first step is to make a pattern, and this actually is a free pattern circulating around. It's copyright free. I'll leave the link below. I'm choosing the medium, so I've already cut that out. And then you're going to get some woven fabric. There's different types of fabric. You can use pretty much anything from pillowcases, cotton. You can use cotton fabrics. I do think that the stretch fabrics, like the synthetic, are not as good as the woven, but then again, whatever works. Pillowcases, anything really. You can even use filters from vacuum cleaners, whatever works. Fold it once, and then fold it again like this. You're gonna take your paper, doesn't need to be perfect, but we're going to go ahead and cut this right here. And normally I would use a rotary cutter, but we wanna do this fairly quickly, and everybody usually has scissors on hand instead of a rotary cutter. So we're gonna cut that. So we have 4 of these pieces of the pattern. And you can see it's not perfect, but it'll definitely do the job, especially when we sew it, so we don't have to worry about spending all that time pinning. Okay, so we are going to have 4 pieces. So we've got 4 pieces, and we're going to go ahead and sew. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut 2 pieces of elastic, approximately, this is approximately 6 to 7 inches each. We need 2 of those. And then we're going to take our pattern and we're going to sew right here, okay? We're gonna sew the first part on the curved edge, face to face, right here. I'm gonna use it on a serger. And then the second piece right here. Okay, obviously you can use a single needle. Just go ahead and use your single needle. You're going to open it up. Okay, you're going to open it up. And you're going to see this side, which kind of looks like a mountain peak, and you're going to go ahead and sew these 2 face to face together, just like that. Make sure your seams line up. Okay. Next, we're going to open this up and put 1 piece of elastic just inside the corner. You can go ahead and sew that, and what we're going to do is loop it around and sew the other side, but I'll show you how to do that without pins. First, start right here, and then go ahead, loop it around, leave about a 1/4 inch, and sew that together. Okay, so it's going to look like this. That's where you put it around your ear, and go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. Take that elastic, put it in the corner, just like that, and loop it around. Leave about a 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch. then the last step is to now go ahead and seal up about halfway through. And as you can see, we're going to leave this part to turn it inside out, or right side, I should say. And then the last step is we're just going to take a single needle. You can pin this part if you'd like, and you're going to sew this part up right here. I'm not going to do that right now, but I just wanted to show you what the mask looks like. Again, you can put elastic up in this part and just sew that down with a straight stitch. And that's it. And if you like this video, if it was helpful, please share it. Also, if you can sew, if you are seamstress at home, go ahead, sew them. The hospitals need you guys to step up. All right, guys, hope this was helpful. Like, comment, share, spread the news. Quick and easy way to make masks.